Hi, I'm Maurizio De Francesco, Magnetic Flow Meter Product Manager. I'm responsible for the development of magnetic flow meter business for the Flow Measurement Group Europe. In the past, Emerson magnetic flow meters were providing a limited number of options, and sometimes we could not provide the right solutions or the right approvals requested by customers. In recent months, Rossmann Flow invested significant resources to address gaps in the portfolio, and I'm excited to share these changes with you. Let's first start by talking about the magnetic flow meter market in Europe. It is a large and often fragmented market, estimated at $230 million, and industry studies have pointed to strong growth in years ahead. Emerson is focused on growing this space, and our approach is based upon three pillars. First, we have dramatically improved the platform for critical processes. The Rossmann Magnetic Flow Meter Series 8700M includes differentiated features to win in difficult applications where the process conditions are tough and where our customers are looking for the highest available performance and reliability. The new platform has an intrinsic safe output, the highest ATEX approvals in the market, an optional robust full stainless steel construction, and improved liners, electrodes, and diagnostics to enable customers to increase their process efficiency, reliability, and safety. Best of all, this platform is made in Europe and calibrated in the most advanced flow lab on the continent and delivered to customers with short delivery times. Second, Rossmann Flow has recently introduced in Europe a new series of magnetic flow meters for process utilities. The Rossmann Magnetic Flow Meter Series 8750W was designed to meet the needs of utilities measurements, where the highest performances of 8700M is not required. This flow meter is reliable and safe, yet has less features and functionality. The 8750W is a great product that will enable customers to increase their measurement in simple application. Third, Rossmann Flow is ramping up fast the production of magnetic flow meters in the Flow Customer Center, Romania. This significant investment will change the game for lead times in Europe, enabling customers to benefit from speed and flexibility in the Rossmann Flow offering. These three changes open exciting new opportunities in Europe. Customers will benefit from the new Rossmann Flow Max portfolio, specifically chemical, oil and gas, pulp and paper. Power customers will benefit from the combined offering in 8700M critical process and 8750W process utility. Desalinations and metals and mining customers that choose the 8750W process utility will value the additional measurement insight. To discuss these opportunities, along with customer challenges related to the selection of the right Rossmann Flow magnetic flow meter in their application, I encourage you to contact me for further information and insight. Thank you.